These politicians are gambling with America's future. In this investigation, we delve into the murky world of congressional insider trading, revealing politicians who are placing bets against the United States economy. This is a bipartisan exposé shedding light on a disturbing trend that transcends party lines. Prepare for a polarizing deep dive into the facts and discover how these elected officials might be profiting from America's downfall. It's a well-kept secret that members of Congress have consistently outperformed the S&P 500 index in recent years. But how are they doing it? Unusual Wells, a financial watchdog group, has been investigating the suspicious trades and committee conflicts that could be the key to their success. The results are staggering. The Unusual Wells report has uncovered a deeply troubling pattern of committee conflicts. Some politicians are making astronomical returns on investments in companies that operate within their committee's jurisdictions, often trading right before crucial decisions that directly influence these sectors. Both Democrats and Republicans are playing this risky game, and it's time to expose them. Democratic Representative Alan Lowenthal, chair of the Energy and Mineral Resource Committee, made an astonishing 261% return on 16 investments in Sunrun, a solar energy company laden with scandals. These trades raise eyebrows as Sunrun falls directly under his subcommittee's jurisdiction. This blatant conflict of interest begs the question, are our politicians abusing their power for personal gain? When you see Allen also bought $50 million in treasuries this year, the answer seems to be yes. Shockingly, back to Democratic Representative Alan Lowenthal, he didn't stop at solar investments. He shorted the U.S. economy itself by trading the bearish ETF ProShares short QQQ. Lowenthal made a cool 10% gain from shorting the economy, profiting from the market's downturn. And can we really trust a politician who bets against the very country he's supposed to serve? Democratic Senator Thomas Carper, a member of the Senate Finance Committee, also shorted the U.S. economy with bearish ETFs just before significant rate hikes and CPI data from the Federal Reserve. He made around 4% on the sale of ProShares short S&P 500 and had short positions that were up 5 to 20% on the S&P 500 index. As a member of a committee that oversees economic policy, Carper's actions are a glaring conflict of interest. Senator Carper's position on the Finance Committee grants him access to valuable economic information. In October 2022, he made over 30 trades, including purchasing the Ranger Equity Bear ETF, which aims to short the U.S. stock market. Carper also exited his position in PSQ, making a profit from his bearish bets. These actions paint a disturbing picture of politicians potentially using their insider knowledge to profit from America's economic struggles. The alarming findings from the Unusual Wells report reveal that insider trading and committee conflicts are pervasive in Congress. As we've seen with Alan Lowenthal and Thomas Carper, politicians from both sides of the aisle are willing to place bets against the very nation they've sworn to serve. How can we trust our elected officials when their actions suggest they're more interested in personal gain than the well-being of the American people? This bipartisan exposé has shown that congressional insider trading is a dangerous and polarizing issue that transcends party lines. As citizens, we must demand transparency, accountability, and reform from our elected representatives. It's time to put an end to the corrupt practices that undermine our democracy and threaten the future of America. Thank you for joining us in this eye-opening investigation into the world of congressional insider trading. If you found this video informative, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it with your friends and family. Together we can raise awareness about this pressing issue and inspire change for the betterment of our nation.